Hi everyone. In this short video, what I'm gonna show you is we're going over this Monacosia render that's been done a few years ago, and there's quite a few dents and holes and misses and stuff in it. Obviously, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but there's bits missing on bead down here. There's a slight crack what I've gone over that I've reinforced, so it's going to prevent it cracking. Obviously, I can't guarantee that because it's already been pre-done. But basically, I'm going to show you in this video how a lot of people have been asking me how you do silicone thin coat. And basically, all you do is prime the wall that you're going to put on. It needs to be a flat surface, so it could be concrete, it could be sand and cement, and as long as it's flat and it's nice and neat and straight and everything else, you're not going to have a problem. So basically, we get a sandboard and trowel. You're better off using a Marshalltown trowel. I use 14, 16 and 18 inch. The majority of times I always tend to use the 14. It's just too much as a waste. Marshalltown handboard. Got my gauger, or bucket trowel as some people call it, but gauger is the right term that most plasterers call it. So you basically get it on your handboard. You don't want too much because it's right gooey stuff, it just slides all over. So basically you just put it on, spread it about and put it on thinly. Don't worry about the bits that you've got, because obviously we've got sheeting on floor, so it's obviously just move them sheets, pick them up and throw them away. And all you're trying to achieve is just turn it on very tight. You can spray this on with the machine which we've got, but this little wall, it's pointless so you can get the machine out. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's easier just to get your handboard and trowel out and put it on. And a lot of plasterers say it's like skimming, but it actually isn't. It's completely different. With skimming, when you put your skim on, you don't want it to be scraping, like that noise. You don't want that really. But with this stuff, that's what you do. You want it as thin and as hard as you possibly can. And basically, just going around the wall, making sure you hit all your dry lines, which is to feather it in. And basically, just don't let it dry out. And that's on now, so what we're going to do is we're going to leave it for around 20 minutes, something like that, just to let it set to weather. The thing is with this stuff as well, the silicone thin coat is it has a different setting time, so you might be waiting a long time when it's cold. So if it's in summer, that's pretty much your limit. You're not going to get that much on that quick, so what you have to do is get it on as quick as you possibly can. It's quite a skilled process. I mean, I make it look easy, but it's not. Trust me. It can go wrong easy. So basically, you put it on as flat as you can. If it's in summer months, you don't have long. You probably have 10 minutes to get a metre on. So you have to work it as though you do a metre, a little bit more than a metre, and then you rub up the metre that you've already done. And that's how you work the wall, and that's how you end up with a wall like this. But for something that's quite a big scale, what we tend to do is just spray it on. It's a bit easier, a lot easier. It takes out everything out, the equation and all. It's still hard work, don't get me wrong, but it takes a lot of the hard work out of it. Obviously we disconnect all soil stacks, pipes and stuff like that. Tape up all windows, as you can see. Taped up this window, and obviously just make it, the more you tape up, the better it's going to look in the end. And obviously you want to make it as clean as you can. You don't want to leave this stuff to set on your path or on your windows or anything like that, because basically it's you know, you're never going to get it up. It's what you are, but there's special stuff that you have to use to get it up if you do spill any. So what I'll do is I'll put another video in of me rubbing this up so you can see what kind of finish we're going to get and what it looks like when we're done. So I'll be back in a sec. Hi everyone, I'm back. So what I'm doing at the moment is I've rubbed all the top off, and I've used a Rafina plastic float, you know, 10 inches long by 6 inches wide. You can buy it from anywhere basically, but you don't want to use the Marshalltown trowel. Obviously always use stainless steel as well, it's always best, but this is just my old rendering trowel. And it's just not good for rubbing up. You want to be using the plastic. So basically all you do is just follow your dry line. As you can see, that's where I've sort of followed off, where I've left off. And all you're doing is like following the tram lines around it, like painting sort of thing, and you sort of bring it down and come always top to bottom, and just work it like that. And what you're trying to achieve is just get all excess stuff off. I just put that down on a bucket, and you just keep on rubbing it until it all looks the same. But we make it look easy, but actually it's not that easy. It just takes years of practice. I mean, I've been doing plastering since I was 15. Been doing renderings, you know, since I was 16. So it just takes years to learn it. But I definitely say the hardest bit is actually getting a wall flat, and that takes years of practice to learn how to do that. I mean, skimming and stuff like that and boarding, it's easy compared to this. Basically, I'm not going to ramble on too much, but you're just going to get it all turned. Spike rakes that's off. Bits like that. But what I tend to do, always clean your bees as well. You don't want that to dry out corners. Always make sure it's nice and tidy. I'm going to try and do it. I'm left-handed, so I have to do it this way. But you just want a uniform finish like this, all the way along the wall, and just get it all flat. And what you're trying to aim for is you have like a circle motion like this. So you want to try and avoid that, and that usually means it's a little bit too wet in that spot. So the way you do that is just work it out and get it all flat. But when it is a little bit wet like this in places, you basically just want to go the wall one last time, just before it sets, just to get it all flat and get it all neat. So I hope you've learnt something from watching this, but that's how you do. So we can think up. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See ya.